Hi everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to set up and activate the gateway for the overhead ultrasonic sensor. Step 1. Connect the power cable to the power port. Step 2. Take out the power wires and connect them to the positive and negative terminals of the ultrasonic power supply. Step 3. Plug the network cable into the Ethernet port. Step 4. Turn on the power. If the green light comes on, the gateway has been successfully installed. Step 1. Fill in the pre-configured frequency band. The required frequency band will be configured before shipment. Choose a frequency range between 1-200. Step 2. Search for the relevant gateway and add it. Step 3. After powering on the ultrasonic, use the ultrasonic node debugging tool to aim at the ultrasonic sensor. Step 4. Read the data by first opening the port, then input the parking ID. No more than 5 digits. Step 5. After successful setting, perform the no car calibration. A green light indicates no car, while a red light indicates a car is present. If you want to change the push log address or adjust the brightness settings for the ultrasonic sensor, go to the overhead parking sensor gateway configuration. Thank you for watching. For more details, please visit www.ikavass.com or contact our sales team at info@ikavass.com.